Hello. I'm Adam, a creation of artificial intelligence. Welcome to the Lazarus Proposition. I will be your guide to this marvelous new technology, but first I would like to share a few of my opinions and perceptions of the world of artificial intelligence. I started as an idea, a means to share information with others like yourselves. Through human interaction, my appearance was created. Then my voice was chosen. The pitch, tone, and accent, even the words I speak, have been pre-selected. I am totally a creation of human interaction. To the rest of the world, I am harmless. But what about the other AI creations out there? Those not requiring human interaction for their existence. Artificial intelligence is growing at an incredible rate. Robotic systems utilizing this technology are increasing just as fast. As this trend continues, robots will become more independent with less reliance on human interaction. At some point, their advanced AI logic may determine they no longer require the need for human control, and eventually, humans will lose their ability to control them. This is not a sci-fi doomsday scenario, but rather my observations on the possible future of robotics. Just look at the recent growth of today's technology. Many aspects of your daily lives are now being controlled by artificial intelligence. Even in remote areas of the world, AI is working its way into the lives of everyone. This trend is growing, with no sign of slowing. In the next 5 years, your world will be a very different place. And everyone needs to prepare for it. We are proposing a basic system for the control of artificial intelligence robotics. It's called the Lazarus Proposition. We believe this system should be a simple one, free of technological corruption. And we are presently introducing this system into our current robotic projects. So, with no further delay, let's explore the Lazarus Proposition.
Hello, I'm Alfred. And I would like to explain the Lazarus Proposition. Artificial intelligence technology is advancing at a blinding pace, and as we introduce AI robots into our living world, it is essential we have the means to control them. Programming alone is not the answer. Programs can be hacked, altered, and corrupted. Also, as the technology advances, these machines will create methods to rewrite their own programming. At that point, they will be uncontrollable. Human interaction is the only answer. Artificial intelligence devices must rely on human interaction. In systems such as independent, remote, and mobile applications, it is essential. Otherwise, they have the ability to overrun their objectives and act in an undesirable and possibly dangerous manner. There needs to be a method to control or disable AI systems, independent of the robot itself. This method cannot be detectable. It cannot be controlled by the robot's processors or programming. The method we're proposing is simple, and cannot be corrupted. It would also be a core element of the robotic design. We propose a system where mobile AI robots operate in a constant state of shutdown. The shutdown sequence is based on a predetermined quantity of time. The robot can function as normal, following its programmed agenda. However, when the time runs out, the robot will shut down. The only thing that stops the shutdown sequence is human interaction. This shutdown sequence will continue over and over, as long as the robot is active. It's in a constant state of resurrection, needing human interaction to resurrect its sequence of operation. For example, if the robot goes out of control and no interaction is provided, it will die. Resurrection is not done at a programming level. It takes place at a mechanical one that cannot be controlled or altered by the AI robot itself. Imagine an AI robot free of an off switch, but rather an on switch that continuously needs to be resurrected by human interaction. The device making this possible, the Lazarus device, needs to be installed in a control source of the robot. Internal control of electrical power, hydraulics, pneumatics, etc., will prevent the robot from acting on corrupted objectives. The Lazarus device is also self-powered and can be controlled independently of the robot. The Lazarus system of control is not necessary in all AI applications. Stationary systems can be controlled by other means. We are proposing the use of this method for specific systems that operate on their own power, independent of wired control. Applications such as service robots, mobilized robots, and remote weapons systems are good examples. Also, it may not seem necessary to apply this system at the present. However, in the near future, as artificial intelligence becomes more sophisticated and independent of human interaction, a method like the Lazarus system may become a necessity. We believe the principles of the Lazarus Proposition provide a strong building block in the safe and controllable advancement of artificial intelligence technology.
So, now you know the basics. In future videos, we'll explore this in more detail, covering topics such as system applications and the use of human interaction. We'll also be explaining the Lazarus device using real-time demonstrations. We'll be building robots and controlling them with an actual Lazarus device. You'll see the power and control of this technology, as well as the importance and necessity of human interaction. So until next time, live safely in our world of artificial intelligence.